Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th. 14th chapter, Algebraic Formula, Expansion of Squares. For studying the algebraic formula, first we have to study what is algebraic expression. So let's see what is algebraic expression. Now first we will see what are the parts of your algebraic expression. Now see, in this picture it will be very clear what are the parts of your algebraic expression. Now coefficient and variables. Numbers are known as your coefficient and the letters are known as your variable. Clear? And the constant means only you are writing the numbers. You are not writing the variable with it. So only the numbers are known as your constant, and together we are writing this term with the help of your mathematical operations that are known as your term. Clear? Now what are the parts of your algebraic expression? So with the help of this picture it will be very clear to you what are the parts of your algebraic expression. Now see what is your algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, how you will get your algebraic expression. See, whenever you are writing your coefficient, variable with the help of your operations, that is known as your algebraic expressions. Clear everyone what is algebraic expression? So when we are writing the numbers and the letters together with the help of your mathematical operation, that is known as your algebraic expression. Now let's see the expanded form of the squares of a binomial. Now first of all, binomial means whenever a term consists two terms is known as your binomial. Clear? So let's see the expanded form of the squares of a binomial. First of all, we will study what is expansion. Expansion means what? Now whenever you are finding the product of an algebraic expression, that product is known as your expansion, or it is called their expanded form. Clear? What is expansion? The expansion of a plus b the whole square. Now we have to expand this and we have to find out what we are getting here. Clear? So let's expand this a plus b the whole square. So first we have to write down in the multiplication form. So how you will write down this in the multiplication form? That is a plus b multiply by a plus b. Clear? Now expand it. Now what you will do? How you will multiply your binomials? Here what we have to do is we have to multiply the second term with each term of first binomial. Clear? Means we have to take this a multiply by, you will write down the second term as it is, a plus b. Clear? Then you will take this plus b multiply by, again you will write down the second term as it is. Clear? Means what we have done over here, we had multiplied your second term with each term of first binomial. Now multiply it. A multiply by a, what you will get? That is a square, plus a multiply by b, you will get ab. Then plus b multiply by a, so what you will get? Plus ab you will get. Plus you will get plus. Plus multiply by plus, you will b multiply by b, you will get b square. Clear? Now what you have to do further? Further you have to find out what? You have to find out the like terms. So which one is your like terms? AB plus AB. So what you will get if you will add AB with AB? Now a square will come as it is. So if you will add AB with AB, what you will get? You will get that is 2AB plus B square will come as it is. So after expanding a plus b the whole square, what you will get? You will get your expansion formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Understood? So this is the expansion of a plus b the whole square. Clear? So a plus b the whole square. If you will expand this, you will get your formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear everyone? So instead of multiplying binomial with binomial, now what you will do is you will use this formula and you will multiply your binomial. You will get your answer. Clear? See the expansion of a minus b the whole square. So same way we have to expand this, how we have expanded a plus b the whole square. Clear? So see how you will expand this. So first what you will do? First you have to write down in the multiplication form, that is a minus b multiply by a minus b. Clear? Now what you will do? Now you will multiply this second term with each term of first binomial. Means you will write down a multiply by second term as it is, a minus b. Clear? Now you will write down minus b. Multiply by, again you will write down second term as it is. So what we have done in this step? We have multiplied the second term with each term of first binomial. Clear? Now what you will do? Now multiply. A multiply by a, you will get a square. Minus, this minus sign will come as it is. So a multiply by b, you will get ab. Clear? Now this b is your minus. With b, minus sign is there. And this a is your positive variable. So here minus plus will be minus. Clear? So b multiply by a, you will write down ab. Clear? Now again you have to multiply b with b. So this b is your negative variable. This b is also your negative variable. So minus minus will be plus. So b multiply by b, b square. Clear? So again what you will do? You will find out your like terms. Your like terms are minus ab, minus ab. So what you will do? This a square will come as it is. So minus minus will be your plus. So ab plus ab, what you will get? You will get that is minus. This minus sign will come as it is. 2ab. Clear? And plus b square will come as it is. So after expanding a minus b the whole square, what you will get? You will get the formula that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So after expanding a minus b the whole square, you will get your formula that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Understood? Now let's see practice set 50. Question number 1, expand. Now here we have to expand our binomial term. So how you will expand? Here we will use the formula of expansion and we will expand. Now here first you have to see the sign. Addition operation is given, so you have to use the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? You have to use this formula and you have to expand. Now for using this formula we need our a and b. So what you will do is this 5a we will take as our a and 6b we will take our b. Clear? So wherever in the formula there is a, we have to write down 5a, and wherever there is a b in our formula we have to write down 6b. So let's see how you will do. Now a square is given. So in the place of a, what we have taken our a, that is 5a. So here we will write down 5a square. Plus will come as it is. This 2 will come as it is. Now again a is there. Now students, here 2ab directly it is given. It means with sign in between 2ab, that is multiplication. So again a is given. So in the place of a, what you will take? You will take that is 5a. So write down here 5a. Multiply b. What we have taken b? That is 6b. So write down 6b. Plus again b square means what you will write down? You will write down that is 6b square. Clear everyone? So here what you will do further? Now we have to find out the square and we have to multiply this term. So what is the square of 5? 5 5s are, you will get that is 25a square. Plus you have to multiply this. 2 5s are 10. 10 multiplied by 6 is 60. A multiplied by b is ab. Plus 6 6s are 36 and b multiplied by b, you will get b square. Clear? So can you add this? No, because like terms are not there. So your answer is 25a square plus 60ab plus 36b square. So if you will expand 5a plus 6b the whole square, you will get the answer, that is 25a square plus 60ab plus 36b square. Clear? How you will do this? Now see the next one, that is x minus 2 upon x. Clear? We have to expand this x minus 2 upon x the whole square. So how you will going to expand? By using the formula. Now minus sign is there in your binomial term. So which formula you will use? You will use the formula of the expansion a minus b the whole square. Means here your formula will be a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Clear? This formula you will use. So whenever the addition sign is there in your binomial term, which formula you will use? You will use the formula of the expansion a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Understood? So minus sign is there in your term, you have to use this formula. If addition sign is there, you have to use this formula. Now in our formula a and b is there. So what you will do? In the place of a you will use x, and in the place of b you will use 2 upon x. Clear? So a square means what you will write down? You will write down x square minus 2 will come as it is. Multiply by a is there again. So write down x. Multiply b. So what you will take your b? That is 2 upon x. So 2 upon x. Plus again b is there. So 2 upon x square. Understood? Now what you will do? Now see how you will do the calculation over here. Now what you have to do is, we have to multiply this and we have to find out the square of this. So x into x, what you will get? That is x square. Minus, now how you will multiply this? What you will do over here? Here see, x will get cancelled. What will remain here? 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Plus, find out the square of 2 upon x. So what you will get? The square of 2 upon x. So what is the square of 2? 2 2s is 4. And what is the square of x? That is x into x you will get, that is x square. Clear? Understood?
Thank you.